Good afternoon, everyone. I am Wendy Van, and I'm with the Foundation for Lincoln Public Schools. One of the best parts of my job is to recognize amazing teachers that we have teaching our 42,000 students that we have in Lincoln. Do you guys think you have some good teachers here? Yes, we do too. We do too. So it's so exciting to come out and to honor Mrs. Bowhay. Today we are here to award her with the Marie Bourke Leadership Award. And I have a friend with me, Mr. Glenn Friend, who helped make this award possible, and he wants to tell you a little bit about what this award is and what it means and why Mrs. Bowhay is perfect for this award.
Good afternoon, boys and girls. Hello. It's really special for me to be here with you. It was many years ago that I was at Saratoga Elementary School, which is way across town, and had a principal like Mrs. Bowhay. Her name was Marie Bourke, and I have to tell you, when I was your age, I wondered what principals do. Raise your hand if you think you know what Miss Bowhay does. Wow, you are really paying attention. Well, the fact is, it's all about leadership, which is part of what you're being taught. That leadership that helps everyone be the best they can be.
Everything that I learned about leadership, I have learned from Mrs. Bowhay. So here are just a few of the lessons that I've learned. Put students first. Make decisions based on what is best for kids. High expectations of yourself, students, and staff, and families is one of the secret ingredients to success. Tell people what you expect. Structure is important. All means all.
And I have to tell you, I do come to school every single day wanting to be here. There's never been a day where I've driven to, whether it be Friedstrom or Hawthorne or Adams or Belmont or Kloefkorn, and I haven't wanted to come to school. I want to come here every day, and I'm going to continue doing that. You're not going to get rid of me yet, okay? So thank you.
Well, I am absolutely still in sort of a blur with all of this, because it certainly is truly an honor. I know what a big deal this award is, because I've been on the opposite end, nominating and then going to the awards ceremony, and I know what a big deal this is, but I never ever in a million years dreamed that it would be me. I have to just honestly say that, but it's truly an honor. I think about the other people that have received this award, and you know, they're mentors to me. So it's thrilling, it's very exciting. Lincoln Public Schools is so fortunate. I've taught in other districts, and I know the caliber of Lincoln Public Schools and what the district offers. What we have in Lincoln Public Schools is not what you typically see, not only around the state of Nebraska, but around the whole country. And I thank my lucky stars every single day that I'm in Lincoln Public Schools and have the opportunity to work with the incredible people that I work with and the families and the children.